you know about him?
Of course. Do you think he's coming back?
I don't know.
What are you? I'm Gotham's reckoning. I'm not afraid. I'm angry. Mr. Wayne. Remember where you parked?
Must have lost my ticket.
Your wife said you were taking a cab home.
My wife?
Don't worry, Master Wayne. Takes a little time to get back in the swing of things.